and I'm going to show you how to make a sterling silver jump ring and beading wire necklace. And the first step to this is choosing the right beading wire. There are several different kinds of beading wire out there, but you want to find sterling silver beading wire, and it's 0.06 millimeter. So it's really fine, and every bead fits right on to this beading wire. And the reason I choose this is because it's thin and it's really strong, and you can do a lot of fun things with it. We're going to cut it into pieces about 1 inch long to create each one of our links to our jump rings. And like I said, it's very, very easy to work with, nice and smooth. And I choose sterling silver only because it's much richer. You can polish it up and it doesn't tarnish and won't lose its color. So we're going to go ahead and measure out, I would say, about close to 1 inch. Just about 1 inch. And you can go ahead and just cut that off. And there is 1 inch of your beading wire. And we'll need several of those. You can also cut them at 2 inches or 3 inches, depending on how long you want your necklace. Today we have, I believe, 8 rings. So we can cut one 1 inch, we can do one 2 inches, and so forth. So this one is all symmetrical, each one is exact, but the next one I think we'll just freeform it and make it fun so that